Have you noticed? Something huge is happening in the world of artificial intelligence. Just when everyone was talking about OpenAI's Codex, Google's Gemini, and Microsoft's Copilot, Amazon has stepped in with a bold move. Yes, Amazon is officially joining the AI agent revolution. And this isn't just another chatbot announcement. It's something much bigger, a direct challenge in the AI quick suite battle. Now, what do we mean by quick suite battle? Well, think about it. Microsoft has Office 365 powered by Copilot. Google has Workspace integrated with Gemini. And OpenAI has been rolling out agentic tools that work inside IDEs and business workflows. But there was one giant missing in this war: Amazon. And finally, they've entered the ring. Today, I'm going to break this all down. What Amazon is launching, why it matters, how it compares to Microsoft and Google, and what this battle means for SaaS founders, developers, and everyday users like us. Chapter 1: Amazon's big move. Amazon has always been a quiet giant when it comes to AI. They built Alexa before most people had even thought about voice assistants. Their cloud division, AWS, already powers most of the internet with machine learning tools like SageMaker. But the truth is, Amazon has been lagging behind in the generative AI conversation. OpenAI captured the public imagination. Microsoft made it mainstream with Copilot. Google tried to fight back with Gemini. And Amazon? They were mostly silent. But not anymore. Amazon has now launched what they call AI agents for business productivity, bundled under AWS and integrated directly with Amazon's ecosystem of tools. Think about it like this. While Microsoft Copilot helps you write emails in Outlook, Amazon's agents are being designed to manage workflows inside AWS, e-commerce, customer support, and logistics. In other words, they're aiming straight for practical business automation rather than just creative text generation. Chapter 2: What are AI agents anyway? Before we compare Amazon with Google and Microsoft, let's define the term. An AI agent is not just a chatbot. It's not just text prediction. An AI agent is a system that can interpret goals, plan actions, and execute tasks on your behalf. It's less like Google search and more like having a junior employee who works 24/7. For example, you tell an AI agent, summarize this week's customer reviews, find the top complaints, and draft fixes. It doesn't just give you an answer. It executes multiple steps, pulling data, analyzing it, and creating an action plan. Or you say, generate ads for my Shopify store, test them, and report the best performing copy. A true AI agent can run that loop. This is why companies are racing to build them. Whoever controls the most useful agent platform could end up controlling the next trillion-dollar market. Chapter 3: Amazon versus Microsoft versus Google. Now let's talk about the quick suite battle. Because make no mistake, this is a war for dominance. Microsoft Copilot is already deeply integrated into Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams. It's designed for office productivity, writing, analysis, and meetings. Google Gemini inside Workspace is competing head-to-head with features like smart drafting in Docs, data analysis in Sheets, and brainstorming inside Slides. And now, Amazon's agents are being framed differently. They're targeting operational workflows. Things like logistics planning, inventory tracking, cloud deployment, e-commerce support, and customer service. So while Microsoft and Google are fighting over office workers, Amazon is saying, we'll own the backbone of the internet economy. This is clever. Amazon isn't trying to win where they're weak. They're doubling down where they're already dominant: AWS, retail, and customer infrastructure. Chapter 4: Inside Amazon's AI suite. So what's inside this new suite? From what's been announced so far, Amazon's AI agents have 3 pillars: AWS Cloud Agents helping developers deploy, monitor, and fix applications without needing to manually configure servers. Think Codex for cloud ops, e-commerce agents built for sellers on Amazon Marketplace. Imagine uploading your product details and the agent automatically writes descriptions, generates SEO, runs or ad campaigns, and even responds to customer messages. Enterprise support agents call center bots that go beyond scripts. They use contextual AI to resolve issues, escalate intelligently, and log tickets in systems like Zendesk or Salesforce. This is very different from Copilot or Gemini. Instead of being a writing buddy, Amazon is positioning itself as the operations assistant that every business needs. Chapter 5: The Agent Revolution. Now, let's zoom out. Why are agents suddenly everywhere? Because the first wave of AI was about content creation. We saw AI writing blogs, generating images, and summarizing documents. That was impressive, but limited. The second wave is about action. AI isn't just answering, it's doing. And that's what makes this update from Amazon so important. They're not building chatbots, they're building digital employees. For example, imagine you're a small business owner. With Microsoft Copilot, you can draft your emails faster. With Google Gemini, you can organize your data better. But with Amazon's agents, you could automate your entire order pipeline, product listing, inventory sync, ad optimization, shipping labels, and customer replies, all without hiring a team. That's not just convenience. That's a revolution in how companies are built. Chapter 6: How Amazon could win. So the question is, can Amazon actually win this quick sweep battle? On paper, they're late. Microsoft has distribution through Office. Google has distribution through Workspace. OpenAI has momentum with ChatGPT. But Amazon has one advantage no one else has: infrastructure. AWS runs nearly 33% of the global cloud market. Every startup, every SaaS, every enterprise already relies on them. Amazon Marketplace hosts millions of sellers who desperately need automation. And Amazon already has one of the largest bases of voice assistant users through Alexa. If they stitch all these together with agents, Amazon could quietly dominate business AI, even if they never win the chatbot popularity contest. Chapter 7: The risks and challenges. Of course, it's not guaranteed. Amazon faces 3 big risks. Perception: developers and businesses don't see Amazon as an AI-first company. They see AWS as infrastructure, not innovation. Changing that brand perception will be hard. Competition: Microsoft is moving extremely fast. They've already locked in deals with Fortune 500 companies for Copilot. Google, too, is pushing Gemini deeply into schools, startups, and enterprises. Amazon has to carve out a niche fast. Execution: AI agents are complicated. If Amazon's tools feel clunky or limited, people will default to Copilot or Gemini, which are already smoother. So while Amazon has the resources, the path won't be easy. Chapter 8: What this means for founders. If you're a startup founder or indie developer, here's the exciting part. Every time a giant like Amazon enters the space, they open up new ecosystems. That means there will be new APIs, new marketplaces, and new opportunities for micro SaaS products built on top of these agents. For example, a SaaS that integrates Amazon's e-commerce agent with Shopify, a micro tool that connects AWS cloud agents to GitHub workflows, a dashboard that combines Amazon's support agents with Slack or Teams. These are real opportunities for small builders to ride Amazon's wave and make serious revenue. Chapter 9: The bigger picture. At the end of the day, the AI agent revolution is not just about productivity. It's about a fundamental shift in how we use software. For decades, we've been using apps. You log in, click buttons, and do tasks manually. But in the next decade, we'll move to agents. You set goals and the agents do the tasks. This is what makes the quick sweep battle so interesting. Microsoft, Google, OpenAI, and now Amazon are fighting to be the operating system of the agentic era. Whoever wins will control the future of work, the future of business, and maybe even the future of everyday life. The battle has just begun, so there you have it. Amazon has officially joined the AI agent revolution. With its new suite of agents, it's taking on Microsoft Copilot, Google Gemini, and OpenAI Codex in what I call the quick sweep battle. The fight is no longer about search engines or office tools. It's about who can give you the smartest, most useful digital employees. And honestly, the battle has just begun. Over the next 12 to 24 months, we're going to see massive updates, new integrations, and probably some shocking acquisitions. The only question is, whose suite will you be using? Microsoft's Copilot, Google's Gemini, OpenAI's Codex, or Amazon's brand new agents? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Which ecosystem do you think will win? And if you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow for more breakdowns on AI, SaaS, and the future of tech.